The secret to the crispiest garlicky fried chicken wings. Double fried and crazy juicy every single time. Take your chicken wing flats and poke them all over with bamboo skewers or a fork. This little trick helps the marinade to go in faster and also speeds up cooking. Combine the chicken wings, soy sauce, oyster sauce, rice wine, white pepper, and grated garlic. Mix well. And let them marinate for at least 5 minutes. You can also leave them for longer for extra flavor. Crack an egg in the chicken wings and add the rice flour. Rice flour gives a lighter, super crispy coating that's gluten-free. Mix until each wing is evenly coated. In a pot over high heat, add cooking oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, grapeseed, or peanut oil. Heat it to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop in the chicken wings, one at a time. Deep fry for about 5 minutes until completely cooked through. Remove. Now we're gonna heat the oil to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Return the chicken wings. Deep fry for another 2 minutes until super crispy. Double fried is the secret. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. At this point, the internal temperature of the chicken should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove and drain. All my friends swear these beat any takeout. Crispy garlicky wings in only 20 minutes. How many could you eat? Serve them with my cucumber salad for the ultimate crunch. If you enjoyed this, subscribe, follow, and like for more Asian recipes ready in 30 minutes or less. Want a copy of my cookbook? It's linked in the description. Thank you so much for watching.